Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who wants a comfortable, precise shave without the irritation, then you're in the right place. We all know how important it is to find a shaver that works with our skin, especially if you have sensitive areas. So today we're diving into the Braun Series 6 Electric Shaver for Men, which promises a smooth shave with its innovative features designed to tackle skin sensitivity and give you the closest shave possible. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. Now let's break it down. The Braun Series 6 shaver is engineered to provide a gentle yet effective shave with its SensoFlex Shaving Head, which minimizes pressure on the skin while ensuring closeness even on sensitive areas. It's dermatologically tested, which is always a win for those of us who have sensitive skin. Plus, the shaver features two distinct modes: gentle mode and turbo mode. If you're in a hurry, turbo mode offers up to 28.5% more cutting actions per second, making it perfect for a fast shave without sacrificing quality. The kit includes the SmartCare Center, which cleans, charges, and lubricates the shaver, as well as a precision trimmer easy click attachment and a convenient pouch. So it's more than just a shaver. It's a complete grooming system. After incorporating this shaver into my husband's daily routine, I was impressed by how easy it was to use. It glides effortlessly over the skin, even in the sensitive areas around the neck. Whether he used it wet or dry, the shave was consistent and irritation was minimal. There's something about the combination of the sensitive skin guard and the flexible head that really works in making the shave feel smoother and more comfortable. Of course, no product is perfect, and here's where we hit a bit of a snag. While the shaver provides a great shave, it's on the bulkier side compared to some other models. If you're looking for something ultra compact for travel, this might not be your first choice. Additionally, while the battery life is pretty solid, you might find yourself charging it more frequently than expected if you use it daily. Pros? The SensoFlex Head is a game changer for sensitive skin. The two modes give you flexibility depending on how fast you want to shave, and the SmartCare Center is a fantastic addition for keeping the shaver in top condition. Plus, the whole system is built to last. Designed in Germany, it feels like quality through and through. On the flip side, it's a bit on the heavier side, and the battery life, though decent, could be more impressive for those who use their shavers frequently. As for value for money, I'd say it's a solid option for anyone looking for a shaver that takes care of sensitive skin while offering convenience through features like the SmartCare Center. It's a little more expensive than basic models, but the added benefits, especially the precision trimmer and SmartCare features, justify the price point. When comparing to other products in this range, the Braun Series 6 stands out for its versatility and the integration of both gentle and turbo modes, which isn't something you see with every shaver. It's on par with other premium shavers, but offers that little extra in terms of customization and skincare. As for build quality, this shaver feels solid in hand. The design, while larger than some others, still provides a comfortable grip, and it's built to last, even with regular use. It's also fully washable, making cleaning it a breeze, whether you're using it wet or dry. If you've ever used a Braun product before, you know the brand is known for its durability. This shaver is no different. It's engineered to hold up over time, and the quality really shows. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, as for customer support, I've found Braun's team to be pretty responsive. They offer solid guidance on how to maintain your shaver, and if you ever run into any issues, you can count on them to help troubleshoot. When it comes to updates, there's nothing to mention, as this product has been around for a little while now, but you're still getting the latest and greatest version of it. For those looking for alternatives, there are some great options out there at different price points. If you're looking to save a bit, there are other electric shavers from brands like Philips or Remington that offer similar performance for less, though you may lose out on some of the advanced features like the SmartCare Center. To wrap it all up, The Braun Series 6 Electric Shaver is a solid, well-rounded option for those with sensitive skin. It offers great performance, especially in terms of comfort and customization, but it's not the most compact choice. If you're someone who values ease of use and a quality shave, this could be a great fit for your grooming routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.